Hello everyone, welcome to Small Motor Car. Today we have got a 1970 Ford Bronco by Matchbox, and this is a new casting, so new release for 2024. Uh, First of all, you will notice this paint job, and I love it. It's a very classic looking paint, looks good on the car. The wheels, again, one with the hubcap, looks good. Apart from that, on the driver's side, you can see the fuel filler cap, door handles. I like how they included the mirror, not bad. Place for turn indicators, obviously they are not detailed but can be detailed. And also you can notice the chrome bumpers. The interior is finished in white. I'm not sure if they actually created white interior, but I doubt it, but you never know. Again, if you see the design language, they have perfectly got it, so that's why the front will look so smaller. Coming to the front again, nice details. You got chrome bumper, detailed headlamp, detailed grille, turn indicators. I don't know if they're turn indicators or running lamps, but yeah, whatever those are. Ford written in between there, so nice details, especially for a mainline. It's got some really nice details. Now let's move to the passenger side. Yeah, if you see on the hood, you can see the vents there too, almost identical. The only difference being it's missing on the fuel filler on this side. Still white interior. Coming to the back, again, nice details. You got the chrome bumper, you got the detailed tail lamp, you got the Ford logo, number plate holder, and the door handle for opening the door. So again, nice details, like really nice details, especially for a mainline. It's got some really nice details. Yeah, so I think it's a good addition to the collection, and if you see one, grab it. I think you will like it. Well, that's all from my side. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.